Gandhi.
Sir, the entire solar energy program is misdirected. You are thinking of raising 20,000 megawatts here and there, which will never be done. Instead, it takes a simple solution to bring light to India. If you just give me a minute, ma'am. In Indonesia, all they did was they made separate solar lamps with renewable batteries, and they gave them to each house. In this country, in a poor man's house, one solar energy lamp will make the difference between a child's homework, between longer hours, and will change their whole lives. Terry started a program which they've done 7 villages of, and the economic well-being has gone up almost immediately. Why doesn't the government, some state governments, ma'am, have distributed cycles, and that one cycle to a girl child has made the difference between no literacy and literacy. In the same way, instead of talking about 20,000 megawatt generation, which will never be done in solar energy, why not simply give one lamp to each poor person's house, bringing them light and allowing them to grow technologically and materially?
Thank you. Yes. Honorable Minister.
I agree with part of her suggestion, which she said, this is what the government should do. We note that. That's an important suggestion. And I would also say that the government is already engaged in doing that. I could read out the details as to what are the programs which are off-grid. There's solar energy projects. But ma'am, I beg to differ with all humility and respect to the honourable member as far as she says that this 20,000 megawatts would never come about. We've got to be optimistic. Our program is realistic. And based on that, ma'am, it has been worked out into different phases. Phase 1, as I said, phase one, if I were to be permitted to say that phase 1 is operationalized. Ma'am, of course it takes time, the gestation period, as I said, but I can give the details of that 1,100 megawatts that has been put in place. If the honourable member in the House, and you permit me, ma'am, I can even read that out. By 2,000 megawatts would be by the year 2022, 200 megawatts by 2013, 20 million, and ma'am, here it is a long list. Solar photovoltaic cells, solar street lighting system, we have the target. The government is giving subsidy as much as 30%, and also in certain cases in the rural lighting, etc., that loan from the banks, which is actually refinanced by NABARD, through NABARD, up to 5% interest loan is given. And ma'am, besides the street lighting, it is the home lighting systems, it is the solar lanterns, it is the SPW power plants, it is the solar PV pumps, and a host of those things, ma'am. Think of what can be done. The government is at it, and to cover the remotest villages, which of course you can't connect to a grid system, the only thing necessary is that you take the renewable sources of energy to them, and the government is at it.
Shri Sanjeev Nayak.